my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Am I recording? What is going on, everyone? RJ here. So today's day trading recap is just insane. Today is insane. I'm talking one of the most insane days since GME and AMC. I traded stockers. I can't even talk right now. I have so much adrenaline and it's still halted. Okay, I traded stock ticker DWAC, aka DWAC. And that is the special acquisitions that is tied and linked to Donald Trump. Again, I'm not affiliated to any political beliefs. I just trade volatile stocks. Let's make that clear. And so it has gapped up an insane amount. I'm talking, it is up on the day 189%. But yesterday it had closed. Yesterday it closed around, let's just say $45. It opened today at $118. So that gap was absolutely insane. And normally if you're trading momentum, you want to trade in the direction of the gap. You don't want to go against it. Yes, there will be people that take profits, but most of the people that come in are heavy buyers if it's gapping up. But nonetheless, the stock opened, so market opened, and I eyeballed the tape and the L2, so level 2. And it tried to sell a little bit and nothing. I mean, that tape was flying down and it was not budging down at all. And so I saw a lot of big numbers on the ask on level 2. I punched it with an entry position. I'm talking like 400 shares. And the thing went from that level and just continued to rocket all the way until $131. So it opened at 118 and it went all the way to 131. I took partials. I took my first partial at 127 and then the next partial was all out at 130.90. So I'm finishing and that happened all within like 20 to 30 seconds. 20 to 30 seconds. I was up 26R, meaning my risk to reward, a day trader wants to keep their risk to reward at the very minimum 2 to 1. 3 to 1 is much nicer because you're risking a 3 to 1 on your capital. Today, I finished 26R. Yesterday, I finished 24R. So DWAC has been an insanely volatile stock. It halted all the way up. And that was the first candle. I'm looking at it right now. It was the first 1 minute candle. It is now 9:59. So it has been halted for at least 29 minutes right now. So it's much longer than your normal 5-minute circuit breaker halt. And yeah, I mean, FUN was playing sympathy to DWAC and it halted twice on the way up. But nonetheless, today's DWAC stock is still halted right now. We are now at 10 o'clock. So it has been halted for over 30 minutes now. And normally when you have, oh my God, it just opened at $157 and it is instantly halted on the way down. Oh my God, oh my God. It's halting, it's halting. It halted, oh my God. It just unhalted. In this recording, it just unhalted and it opened. It opened at $175. The last halt was at 131. It opened $40 above and then halted immediately on the way down. It is now halted at $157.50. Oh my God. What is happening? That halt was a $40 spread. But if you weren't watching it just now, you would have absolutely lost your count. It just halted, it just lost like $30. I'm sorry, it just lost like $20 in less than 10 seconds. So this is what I'm talking about. Now I'm just becoming a vlogger because I'm not even going through the actual recap here. But this is, let's recompose ourselves. DWAC is a special acquisitions linked to Donald Trump. And again, without going into any politics or any political affiliation, just know that we as intraday day traders, we trade highly volatile stocks that has the potential to move, and we normally snipe our way in and then take profits and snipe our way out. Andrew Aziz calls it guerrilla warfare. We're kind of going in and we're kind of going out. You want to move with the big money. You don't want to try and fight them. You don't want to try and go against them. And with that being said, DWAC was gapping up insanely for the morning. And so at market open, I went ahead and my eyeballs were so open, and I was reading level 2 and I was reading the tape. And orders were flying through, but the price wasn't going down. It was really maintaining it, so meaning there was a lot of buyers counteracting all the people that were taking profits. And so when I saw that, it gave me the confidence to enter, right? I was actually going to enter with just a small position size. I think I entered with like 300 or 400 shares. I went and entered, and it just blew up. It just went all the way up like $10 to $11 within the first 20 to 30 seconds into a circuit breaker halt, which we thought was going to be a 5-minute circuit breaker halt. Within that 30 to 40 second time frame, I had made my goal, way past my goal of 26R, which is your risk to reward. So again, normally day traders like to do a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 risk to reward every single time they trade, or that is their rules for the day. So yesterday I had finished 24R, today I had finished 26R on the same stock. Today I played it again as continuation from yesterday, but my God, we just witnessed it going ballistic just now. I could not fathom it. So let's talk about it. The first candle, the first 1-minute candle after market opened at $118. That's the open. It closed at $131. After the 30-minute halt, it opened at $175 and immediately got halted on the way down at $157. That is unbelievable. And if you weren't watching it, you would have just had a $20 loss immediately. And that is why you have to manage risk so carefully, because you can lose it just as fast as you gain it. And you know, the read I had in the beginning, it either would have went down or went up. My read was, since there was so much orders coming through and that price wasn't even moving down at all, I punched it and it continued to go towards the long side. But we'll leave it at that. Okay, DWAC just opened up. It is now trading at $164, $172. 168, 164, 157. It's back down. $144. It's about to halt on the way down now. So that candle, while we're talking, opened at $164. It tapped $172 and closed all the way to $144. That is a $30 move all in one candle. Again, account breaking moves here. So you have to manage your risk very carefully. You cannot gamble. You have to manage your risk. Us as day traders, our job here is to manage risk. And you know, if you're trying to gamble this and you bought all the way at the high of $177 and it just plummeted and halted on the way down at $144, it might open much lower. And so now you are down $30. If that is not good. That is not good. All right. If you took a position of $100 and 100 shares and it went down $30, that's $3,000 within one candle, within a blink of an eye. So if you guys are interested, definitely look up stock ticker DWAC, look at the news, look at the charts, look at what's going on, and kind of familiarize yourself with how intraday day traders just go ahead and gravitate towards volatile stocks, because it allows you to go in and out. Again, like Andrew Z says, you know, like guerrilla warfare. And so this was one I was able to get in and get out immediately, even before the halt. So super crazy day going into the weekend. Again, it could have gone the other way, but you know, I would pay my respects to the skills I've learned throughout the 1.5 years I've been day trading to be able to read, to be able to like what I was reading on level 2 and the tape and punch it for an entry. So if you guys really did enjoy that video, do me a favor and smashy that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other day traders like you and other potential day traders out there. Also, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, follow me in my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardanas. Again, today was an absolutely monster day. Same with yesterday. All in all, between these 2 days, I closed so I was 24 and today I was 26. So I closed like 50 R within these last 2 days, which is absolutely insane. So I'm closing 50 to 1 on my capital that I was willing to risk. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful Friday. Again, I have to emphasize, obviously I have a lot of adrenaline and a lot of emotions kicking in me, which is not good as a day trader. You want to be composed at all times, but please manage your risk. With that being said, trade clean, stay green, and I'm going to see everyone on the next day trading recap next time.